How to contact Sonic Rumble support team. First of all, open the game on your device and go to the main screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the game menu. From there, select Settings to access support options. Next, scroll down and tap on Support. This section allows you to browse helpful articles related to common issues, glitches, or gameplay questions. If you don't find a solution, tap on the Please Send It Our Way link to reach out directly to the support team. After that, tap the Reach Out button. You will need to enter your name and email address, then tap Next. Choose the section of the game where you are experiencing issues or want to report a bug. In the feedback box, describe your problem clearly, including what happened, when it occurred, and whether it happens repeatedly. You can also attach a screenshot or a screen recording to help the support team understand your issue better. Once everything is filled out, tap Submit to send your report. A representative from Sonic Rumble will get back to you to help resolve your problem. Additionally, some issues may be addressed instantly through the Chat with Us button, where a live support agent can assist you directly. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible to get faster and more effective help. Now you know how to contact the Sonic Rumble support team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.